Welcome to the walk round video for the 1966 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL Pagoda, entered into the Imperial War Museum Duxford sale on the 26th of May 2021. A desirable UK supplied right-hand drive example, it's fitted with power steering and the 4-speed automatic gearbox. Reportedly discovered in January 2008 following almost 20 years stored in a barn, it was entrusted to Mercedes-Benz specialist Colin Ferns Limited of Surrey. Their restoration work encompassed a brake overhaul, much panel work and repainting, engine fettling and servicing, an interior refresh and the installation of numerous new parts. With £1,250 worth of further fettling by SS Motors of Surrey, it is offered for sale with an MOT until July 2021.